好，我哋而家睇一睇咧 the simple present tense 同埋 present continuous tense 嘅分別同埋實際應用要注意嘅地方。OK， 嗱呢兩個 tense 咧，其實最主要嘅分別咧係一個係 the present continuous tense 係我嚟表達咧一種 narration 嘅一種咧敘述嘅，即係事實上發生緊或者發生過嘅嘢。咁當然喺呢度咧係事實上係發生緊嘅嘢啦。咁佢第一包括係而家發生緊啦 ，action in progress 而家呢一刻發生緊嘅now right now。第二咧就係好似我哋講嘅話係而家呢一排發生緊啦，action in progress around the time of speaking 啦，係喺而家呢一排發生緊嘅嘢，而家呢一刻發生緊，而家呢一排發生緊嘅，都係用 present continuous tense 嘅時候。OK， 好啦，咁另一方面咧 ，the simple present，the simple present 咧，其實我哋而家係講緊咧一樣叫 general description 嘅一個嘢，一樣事情嘅 general description 咧，唔係實際上係發生過啲乜嘢或者發生緊啲乜嘢，而係咧一般嘅陳述。一般嘅陳述咧就譬如一啲關於真理啦，譬如 the sun rises in the east 啦，太陽由東方升起啦。第二就係咧 facts 啦，譬如我哋講某人係一個學生嚟嘅 ，Tom is a student，Tom is a student，係一個學生嚟嘅，亦都係咁樣講，唔係話真係發生過或者發生緊啲咩事情。第三咧就係咧 habits 啦，就係一啲嘅習慣啦，一啲嘅習慣，一啲嘅常態啦。呢三項咧我哋都會用 simple present tense 嘅，咁所以換言之咧，最重要都係呢個 narration 同埋 general description 嘅分別呢兩者。我哋嚟睇睇咧，實際上有啲乜嘢巧妙嘢我哋要注意嘅。OK， 我哋睇一睇呢個例句 ：The baby blank for 10 hours every night。OK， 我哋睇一睇咧例句當中咧，我哋要首先睇一睇清楚個 context。context 即係中文即係語境語境、語言嘅環境、周邊嘅環境，或者上下文或者上文下理都有人講嘅。OK， 點解要睇個語境呢？因為我哋唯有睇呢個 context， 我哋先能夠咧知道咧呢兩句嘅意蘊喺邊，究竟係某個行為係做緊啦，而家做緊啦，定係某個行為係一般嚟講都係一個習慣啦。因為呢咁樣分清楚咧，我哋先能夠寫得啱同埋講得啱嘅。OK， 我哋睇一睇咯。The baby 我哋睇睇第一句第一句，如果我哋有呢個咁好可能咧表示咗個作者或者講嘢嘅人咧係喺即場嘅，係喺當場嘅。我哋唔好忘記，我哋一個 tense 咧係講一個 action in progress at the time of speaking 嘅，係喺講嘢嗰一刻咧發生緊嘅嘢嘅。咁如果講嘢一刻發生緊咧，我哋睇到呢個部分咧就似乎係用一個 present continuous tense 現在進行時啦。OK， 咁 simple present tense 咧present continuous tense 我哋有兩個部分嘅，兩個 component 嘅。第一個 component 第一個部分，我哋知道個 base form 呢個係個 base form 啦，我哋加 ing sleeping。另一個部分咧就係 verb to be 啦。verb to be 有三個，有 is am are， 咁我哋即管寫一個啦。我哋求其寫一個 am 啱唔啱咧？要注意一點，我哋咧逢親英文咧都要注意 agreement 個動詞同埋 subject 嘅 agreement。我哋一定要對翻嗰個 subject 呢個句子嘅 subject。The baby 呢個 subject 咧，究竟係 he she or it I 定係 they we you 咧？呢啲 subject 咧，咁好明顯 the baby 咧，我哋其實一係男一係女，咁我哋he or she 都得。咁咧我哋剩翻一個答案啫。如果呢個verb to be 部分唯有配搭 agreement， 唯有係 is 呢咁嘅 agreement 出咗嚟。咁所以咧總括嚟講就係 he is sleeping， the baby is sleeping，she is sleeping，the baby is sleeping， 都係一樣嘅答案 is sleeping。OK， 我哋另外睇睇第二句啦。The baby blank for 10 hours every night。呢度留意咧，我哋好多時咧一個句子都有啲提示嘅，有啲 clue 話俾我哋聽一啲主要嘅意思嘅，主要意思或者 time 嘅。我哋留意啦。有陣時咧，我哋咧未必有呢個 clue 嘅。有陣時咧，我哋 我哋嘅意思咧會咧喺上下文中得出，知道係究竟係平時做啊，定係咧而家呢一刻做緊啦。但係咧喺呢度好明顯有一個字咧 every night， 每一晚話俾我聽啦，呢個 BB 每一晚咧都瞓10個鐘嘅嚇，瞓10個鐘嘅。我哋 preposition 用 for， 咁要係咁講咧，我哋係其實而家講緊一個 habits。We are talking about habits here. We are talking about a habit that the baby sleep for 10 hours every night。 我覺得啱唔啱咧？呢個 sleep 嗱，當然我哋亦都係要睇翻 agreement 啦。如果睇翻 agreement 咧，正如頭先所講 he or she，and then we add s after the base form。呢個 base form 呢個原形動詞後邊嘅，咁所以總括嚟講咧 ，the baby sleeps for 10 hours every night。 The baby sleeps for 10 hours every night。 咁成句咧就係有 present continuous， 亦都有simple present 去總括成個嘅一個句子同埋一個段落啦。我讀一次 ：The baby is sleeping. The baby sleeps for 10 hours every night。